Online data filtering. Hover over the bottom right of the BrainWave 4 window to check that the biocam has been connected and that an MEA chip has been inserted. Here we have adjusted our chart X and Y axes, and we're going to enable the chart titles and ticks option. Click play to begin online data acquisition. By using Control Select and click, we're going to select 4 channels to visualize. Now we can see that our amplifier has been calibrated correctly and that our channels are visualizing properly. Stop the online data acquisition. As we've discussed in the offline data filtering video, we can enable or disable the filter settings by going to this icon here and clicking it to enable the filtering. Then, by clicking the gears, we can modify the settings. Here we see that the slow oscillation and fast oscillation filters have both been enabled. Clicking the icon here will disable the fast oscillation filter settings, and we will begin focusing on the slow oscillations. As these have been enabled, we can go ahead and click play. And going to the raw traces settings, we can enable the visualization of the filtered slow oscillations by clicking on the eye icon. Now we see our filtered slow oscillations represented by this purple line. If we wish to only visualize it, we can hide the original data, and we are left with the filtered slow oscillations. To show our original data again, click the eye icon. Now we're going to click stop and return to our filtered settings to enable the fast oscillation filter. By clicking play and enabling the filtered oscillations in the raw traces settings, we can see our data. And again, we can choose to hide the original traces to see only the filtered oscillations. By clicking stop and returning to the signal filtering settings, we can enable both of our filters, and clicking play, we can adjust the visualization options, hiding our original data and filter slow oscillations to only visualize the fast oscillations, and doing the same to visualize only our slow oscillations. As we have seen in our offline data filtering video, the fast oscillations and slow oscillation filters are ideal to enable more accurate LFP and spike detection. Enabling these filters in online mode allows us to visualize our data and have an idea of how our analyses will turn out. Please see the video resources linked in the video description for more information.